Hello there, this is Suj again, back with another unboxing. If you saw my last video, you will have seen me unbox something called the Steam Deck. A lovely device for playing PC games on. I've been having a real blast with it. I've really put it through its paces that last few weeks. It's been pretty enjoyable. If you want to see the first experience with a few tips and tricks, and before you buy stuff along the way for that, check my blog post in my description. But for now, I will be looking at something else. So anyone that's wanting to dock your Steam Deck to a computer, so basically a monitor, has had to use like a USB-C hub to do so. And mine has been no exception to that journey. I've been waiting for the Steam Deck docking station for a while, and I got a little bit impatient with it about 2 weeks in, and basically just bought this thing over here, which is the Novu USB-C hub. Now, the thing about this is I ordered it the first time, it came broken, and then got really kind of annoyed and frustrated with it. Fortunately, when I did order it on the day, frustratingly on the day, the Steam Deck docking station was released. So I went ahead and bought that. After I calmed down a bit, I bought another one of these as well. The second one does work, and this is the second one. But for now, what I've been doing is I've been doing this. I've been basically putting my Steam Deck over here on this adjustable stand. I've been using this one for years, and I didn't expect it to last this long, but there it is. And basically just get this cable, plug it into here, and everything's all plugged in. It's an elegant solution, elegant enough. But I wanted to try out the Steam Deck docking station as well, and just see how clean it can look. As well as maybe compare a difference or two. So, it has indeed arrived, so here it is. In all its glory, so there's the box. Now, let's get our little unboxing tool out. So let's do that again. Alright, so just going to open this up for a moment. Get this one open. Where's the opening part? Tape is there. Okay, cool. Yeah, kind of looking forward to this because I want to see what Valve officially will do with this. Bit of information while I'm opening this. There's the USB-C hub that I bought was £21 on Amazon. Really, really good price. Comes with like 4 USB hubs, USB slots rather, and yet also able to power the device. And also you can use Ethernet with it as well, which is really nice. So it's a really, really good dock. But this one's a little bit different. So this one RRP is at £79. And, you know, but it does come with a power supply, and it is supported by Valve, as well as other couple of differences, which I'll show you now. So, look at this now. Ooh, that looks all right. All right. So here we go. Ooh, wait, that looks quite nice, actually. So it's really, really simple. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's very simple, very minimal, very nice. The quality's actually quite high on this thing, in my opinion. Fully rubber bottom, really good. So yeah, how it compares differently to the other one is on the slots on the back. So on this one, you have basically a few different USB slots. I believe they're USB 2.0 and 3.0. So 2.0, 3.0. These ones are 3.1. It also has the Ethernet port, and it's got it on the back. There are a few other docks out there. I don't know the name of it by heart. I think it's JSO, which have the Ethernet port, but it's on the sides. That didn't really appeal to me too much, so I kind of wanted to wait for this a bit more. You got power delivery here, HDMI just like this again, but you also have a display port, so you can use this with a second display if you want, which is kind of cool. And then of course you got Steam Deck logo, very nice. Cable is sort of more made for, I would say made for Steam Deck solely. But yeah, why don't we just try it out? So I'm just going to connect up these things from that I have in here into the new dock. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to unplug these. Nice. Let's plug them all into here. So let's start with the mouse. Hopefully this will simplify things in the future. The other reason why it's more expensive and why I wanted to go for this one anyway is because Valve will support this down the line with updates. So if there's any glitches or any issues when you're plugging things in, for example, with this hub that I'm using now, sometimes I get the problem where I plug it in and then the keyboard doesn't actually initialize. So I have to unplug the dock and then plug it back in, which is a bit of a pain, but it is what it is. Something like that can happen. But with Valve, some of these little problems could be resolved over time as there is updates. There will be an update when I plug this in right now as well. I'm kind of expecting that. I won't be going through the whole boot up process with this or anything, But, you know, I just want to see how it looks, essentially. So already it's kind of cleaner. So, like, all the cables are actually going out the back. I'll find a better way to neaten this up over time. But yeah, there we go. So quite good. Let's see how it sits on here. Oh, very nice. So it looks really minimal and very clean. Kind of cool. So yeah, that's the whole thing set up. I'll be using this in future, and maybe I'll even do videos in the future of basically how it will work in the external display. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, that's it. Read a blog post if you wish, and have a great day, evening, night. See you around.